Hi foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make stir-fried kangkung. Okay, here are the ingredients we need. First of all, we need kangkung. Take the necessary amount. Sliced onion, sliced crushed garlic. Seasoning cubes are optional. I like, you can add it to your recipe. Some Maldive fish, red chili flakes, salt to taste, mustard seeds and coconut oil. Okay, let's start. First of all, cut kangkung to small pieces, washed and dried properly. Take a pan and switch on the flame, then add some coconut oil to the pan. When coconut oil is heated enough, add some mustard seeds. Mustard seeds are popped up, add the sliced garlic. Now add the chopped onion into the pan and mix it well. All the ingredients are turning golden brown color. Add kangkung leaves into the pan time to time and cook it for a few minutes. After about 2 minutes, you can see there is little bit water in the pan. Leave it until all the water is out. It's time to add Maldive fish, salt to taste, and half of the seasoning cube as you like. And cook it for a few minutes. Now all the water is dried out. Finally add red chili flakes and cook it for a few seconds. Our stir-fried kangkung is ready. Now you can switch off the flame. Spicy stir-fried kangkung is ready. Serve it hot. Thank you for watching our video. See you again with the lovely recipe.